can you do a Mitzi impression?
Let's see. I'm sure I've done one before.
And thank you for, yo, this is the next greatest comedian.
I appreciate my
in the
brother.
United
Yes. What did you do with Jeff?
He's not here today. He might be back next week. And in the event, I'm hosting his show, The Jeff Richards Show.
Oh,
episode, and it was a Sally Field episode that completely failed miserably. So I was on the first episode of the Chappelle Show that failed miserably back in the day.
Loved, and he's got this, and the memory he has for the past. I mean, he talks about people.
DC Young Fly.
She just smells like weighted, smelly good.
I'm Iron Man, yes, Iron Man, the man of iron.
And I really appreciate it. Have a great day.
Thanks for making me come. I mean, having me.
Oh, yeah, not the first.
The majority of the orange melon from the food cart, from the catering, and that should have rubbed.
you only had a minute and a half on that show, and I got on a roll, and I did my.
Said John Wayne Gacy.
Oh, Gacy!
You just playing along?
And it's very funny. And he was he had
serial killer. They're old friends.
But in the kitchen, and I.
Boy, killing it.
Surface is when a certain.
It's my show.